Solving Valid Anagram Junior versus Senior Series. Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be trying something new where we've been talking a lot about on the live stream. Kind of an approach of what a junior developer would do compared to what a senior developer would probably do. So if you are new here, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing any of these videos, and you will be alerted when we do have live streams. So let's just go ahead and take a peek at the first go around that we did, and then we cleaned it up quite a bit. So I have the link down in the description below for the Leak Code Challenge anagram. So if you really think about it, an anagram is nothing more than a possible palindrome. So same type of things of how did we attack what a palindrome is, has the same. So wait a second. So if it has the same letters but it's an anagram, it can be shuffled. So all I really need to do is see if it has the same letters. So it's a less constrained palindrome, if that makes any sense. So we're not going to have any extra letters. We're not going to duplicate letters. It's just the same number of characters, just in a different order. So what we did is we made two different dictionaries, one dictionary of each string, and we created the dictionary for string S and a dictionary for string T, and then we compared the length, or excuse me, not just the length, but were they equivalent to each other? And if they are, then you have an anagram. Now, we kind of kept brainstorming, and we kept going through here, and we started to say, well, wait a second. All right, if we sort them, then they're going to be in that order, and we just sort the two of them. So we came up with that explanation. So this is more of a junior, and then you could argue it depends on how large they're going to be, and you can get into some time complexity, which we can speak to that in another video about time complexity and cost. And then here we are with maybe a little bit of a different take on this. Let me get that off counter. So we imported from the collections module, and then we imported counter, and we ran each string through the counter, which is very similar to this. All of these instructions is just flattened down into one line of code. So these are the type of things that we do during the live streams. So I know you may not have time during the day to join, but to take a peek at them as after they get published, to kind of just wrap your head around the evolution of how a problem would get solved, from one, just solving it, and then two, making it more elegant, and three, trying to improve the time complexity. So real quick video today, just wanted to show you the type of things that we are doing during the live streams, and the type of things that you want. First, you want to solve it. Don't try to solve this at the beginning. You do this after you've seen hundreds and hundreds of problems. Do this, get it to work all the time, 100%, and then begin to think, can I flatten this out? Can I make this more efficient? Can I make this run faster? Can I make it use less memory? Those are the type of things that seniors begin to worry about. But there we go, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, joining the Discord server down below to make sure you're getting all the help that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.